Welcome back to BPV Outdoors, guys. Today we're here on the little lake, and we're trying to catch crappies here. These are black crappies. We're using a small jig head and about a 3 foot, maybe 2.5 to 3 foot line here, bobber. And this is what we get. I'm going to let this one go about the size we're looking for. So we're using just a small head with a minnow attached to it, and then a set bobber, swivel set bobber. This is a fluorescent line, 4-pound test line with a St. Croix light power panfish rod, and with just a cheap fluger reel. And they're out there about maybe 20 in front of us. Pass it that way. So we're only keeping at least 9.5 and up crappies, letting the little ones go. So this is about a 9.5 inch crappie. It's a beautiful crappie, and we're going to keep it. Anything less than this, we're going to let it go. This lake only produces 9.5. Anywhere from up to maybe 11 inches. That's about it. You just let it float a little bit, and then maybe if you give it a little jig and just let it float. Let the wind do its thing. The waves is kind of windy, so there's a little bit of wave here. Kind of let that do its thing. Natural presentation. And we can see there's one moving there. There's a whole pod in this area here that's moving around. So we know that those are fish. And there's some on this side as well too, so he's fishing this side. It's a little shallower on this side. There you go. Oh, there it is. Got him. This one might be a smaller one.
Yeah, right. It looks bigger.
So, got one there too. So this barely makes the 9.5 mark, so I'm gonna let it go. You got a bass? Right. Little dinky one.
crappie bass. Not even 1 pounder. Let's catch and release.
Oh, we should have done the underwater one.
Holy shit. Oh, did you even... Nobody fishing here.
There you go. Got it? No, I got a camera right there too. Để nó đặt được cầu người lọt rồi. Sao đó?
Oh, there you go.
That looks like a nice one there. Bass? Crappie?
Pure black.
Oh,
Alright. Black crappie. Beautiful, beautiful black crappie. Hopefully it makes the cut. $93. We're going in the live. That's some decent.
see how that? You see him swimming?
Yeah.
Got it?
Right there, same spot.
You're not on those
I know, look at that.
Ooh, look at bigger.
Another nice one. Nice crappie. Got some feeder.
That one? Well, if it bites hard, it's crappie. Oh yeah, that is good. Looks like a bass though.
Look like the same bass.
No, that was smaller.
Smaller bass. They've been hovering around that spot for a while.
He's a bite. Ja. Wait.
Gotta twitch it.
You see
I think they
that?
want insects, dude. Okay. Oh yeah.
The law.
Alright. Give me one of those babies. Give me one insect. That's I think that might be almost 9 3/4. Alright, where's your insects?
Oh,
Alright, time to use insects.
got a little bit made. 9.5. Let's go.
That's a crappie. Ooh, yeah. That's a 9 3/4.
I don't know. It looks small.
Maybe 9.5. Make the cut. Yeah, make the cut.
Nice crappie. We'll see if they make the cut. It's gotta be 9.5.
Okay.
Yeah, 9.5. A little over 9.5. I'm using this crap.
Check the fuck out, you know,
I switched over to this.
that looks like an insect instead of
I have these for the longest time. I've never used it.
oh, put it to use for bites. I'll get some.
Missed it.
You missed it? Alright, you
Wow.
get another one. I'll switch it.
Wow, that came off.
You get another one, I'll switch it. I think they might be eating insects now. Minnows.